everybody? It is me, King. I'm back with another video, guys. And today, as you guessed from the title, I got a brand new cell phone. I mean, it's not brand new; it got refurbished, but it's new to me. So, yeah, guys. If you guys are wondering, you'll be able to see when I unbox my new phone. And then here's a hint, guys. I will be able to play Fortnite Mobile and do some iOS gameplay too. And yeah, sorry I'm using my computer camera. It's the only thing I could get because I have to give my old phone back because that was part of the deal to get this one. So yeah, guys, I'm gonna unbox it right now and you'll see it soon. Hold on. Alright. Alright, what's happening? Gotta be really careful with this one. Alright. I'm trying not to show my address because it has that in it kinda on the package. So yeah. Rip this tape off a little bit. Oh wait, yeah, I got a scissors, sorry. So
you know how to play it?
I'll cut this. Alright. Got a new phone. Oh my gosh.
Everything you described is worthless.
Oh my gosh, trying to be really careful with this. Oh yes, oh yes. Oh yes. If you guys are wondering, guys, here's the thing. It's literally the iPhone 6s, guys. Look at this. Oh my gosh. I got rose gold as the color on the back. I'll be able to play some Fortnite Mobile and do some update videos. And this is a new phone, so yeah, I'm gonna be really careful with this. And then I'm not gonna really make any videos with it or anything until I get a case which I'm gonna order online shortly, and then activate my phone really soon. New phone, you heard? New phone? Who dis? The iPhone 6s, guys. I need to charge it first, and then yeah, guys, basically activate the phone, which I'm about to do really soon, and then I'll be using this for vlogs sometimes because it has better camera, and that's perfect right now, stuff like that. So yeah, guys, I'm just gonna say I'm gonna do some games like PUBG and Fortnite and lots of other things because it's got iOS 11 now and the built-in screen recorder. I have an iPhone 6s now, rose gold. I had a 5 for a long time, and something happened with my old one, so I had to get a new one as soon as possible. So yeah, guys, I cannot wait, and this is gonna be so exciting. And this is what it is, the iPhone 6s, new phone, who dis? So yeah, guys, I'm gonna record a lot of gameplay on it, and yeah, basically you'll see everything else, and then yeah, just an unboxing video, and I just cannot believe this. I really wanted a 6S for a lot of years, and yeah, I'm just glad that I have one. I don't care what any of y'all think if it's not a new one, but it's new to me. It's new for me, and yeah, that's the thing. It's new for me, and got better camera and iOS 11, and I'll play some games like Fortnite Mobile and all this stuff like that, and then do vlogs on it sometimes. So yeah, guys, see you guys in the next video. Peace out and bye, everybody.